Welcome to this week's Performance TV. Hey, you might be in the middle of a restoration like the guy is on this 67 Chevy 2 over here. I've got something for the inside of the car. How about being able to listen to all of your music from your Bluetooth and still keep it looking factory without having to cut up the dash? Custom Autosound, which were the originators and the innovators in this type of radio system, they're celebrating their 40th year and they're doing it with built-in Bluetooth. Now, you used to be able to add the Bluetooth to all of their different radios, but now it's all done for you with the USA 740. Not only are you going to have Bluetooth, be able to make telephone calls, be able to listen to all of your music, but you're going to have a lot of other great options as well. 300 watts, 7 different LCD colors, so you can make it match the colors of your dash. You can dim those. You can also add USB ports. Now, even though it has 300 watts, you can still add an amplifier. And for some folks, hey, they still like to listen to CDs, so they've got an option for that as well. So not only the radio, but we're going to have a whole package by the time we're done with this 67 Nova. 6x9 speakers. They're up to 200 watts, and every speaker is tested in-house for quality control at Custom Autosound. We're also going to be adding some nice 6.5 speakers to the front of the car with these newer kick panels that Custom Autosound also handles all of this in-house in their factory in California. Pretty easy to install. I'm sure Robert won't have a problem. Let's check in.
Well, Kathy, I've already put the speakers in and run my wires. I've taken out the old stereo, which was really quite simple. And you can see when I hold them next to each other, it's going to be a direct factory replacement. There's no screwing any new holes or anything like that. Super easy. First thing I'll do is I'll connect my wiring harnesses here. All right, tuck my wires back up here. One of the things I'm really looking forward to is driving this car with Bluetooth, talking on my cell phone and hands-free. Now I've just got a couple of screws here, and they're a little small, so I think it's easier to put them in with a socket and just hold that like that. And they should go right in this hole. Got it there. Perfect. The hardest part is just not dropping them or losing them. All right, there we go. Let me grab that socket again and tighten it up. Pretty soon, Kathy thinks she's going to be playing her music. I'm going to put my Bluetooth on this before she gets a chance. Okay, just like that. That's nice and snug. Tighten this one down a little bit before I take my wrench. Tighten them the final way. Go. Now you don't want to over tighten these. It's old metal, and just enough to keep it snug and keep it from moving, just like that. Now the new bezel fits right on here. There we go, just like that. The nuts, it's going to hold that bezel on. Don't forget the washer. Washer goes on, nut goes on. Now these are easy to cross thread too, so be careful when you're putting them on. They should spin on freely, like that. And notice the classic look. It looks just like the stereo that I took out, with the one exception of the external speaker jack right there. Okay, we'll snug these down, just like that. Make sure the bezel is up above the radio. Okay, we're almost done here. Got to get the bezel above the stereo just like that. Now we can run our nuts in. There we go. Just like that. Let me get my other nut right over here. Goes on. This is something anybody can do at home. It's really pretty simple. The only step that's left is putting my knobs on. All right. And again, you can only put them on one way, so don't be afraid of them. Just stick them on. Just like that. Like that. All right, we're ready to turn this on and see how it sounds. Hey, Kathy, you want to hear it?
Oh, absolutely, Robert. Let me go ahead and get my phone. Let's go ahead and pair it up.
Oh no, way too late, Kathy. Here you go.
That is really cool. Nice job on that, by the way.
Thanks.
Yeah, you want to find out more, all you have to do is go to customautosound.com and check out the brand new USA 740 radio. We'll be right back with more of Performance TV after this.